How's it going, guys? It's Kajar's here, and I'm back inside Blender. And as you can see on the screen, I did two variations of Roger from American Dad. He's the alien, and I chose to do him because honestly, when I first opened up Blender to try to sculpt, I wanted to see where I was. I don't have any recording of this, but just take my word for it. I failed miserably, horribly, all of the above. And I didn't have any foundation or structure, so it turned out really bad. I couldn't even do an eye or lips, and basically he just looked like he was made out of marshmallows or something, just horrible. So it's been about a week or so working inside of Blender using the sculpting tools, learning the human anatomy, bones, meat, flesh, all that, and how it reacts. And I don't know why, for some reason I just wanted to go back and try to see where I was, if I could even do this. And I say I did a decent job for a beginner, but it's definitely room for improvement. You can definitely tell. And I didn't know what kind of art direction I wanted to take it, because I added my own little style with the human lips and exaggerated body size. But I think it looks a little unsettling for the eye at first glance, but it's definitely some progression because I couldn't do this a week ago. And I tried to cheat and do an easier body because he's basically two spheres put together and stretched and warped. But I added some knowledge that I learned throughout the week. I learned how to do the skull, so I added some features where the skull might be, because in the reference it's a 2D image, so you can't really see any lighting reflecting off the body to indicate any bony landmarks or strong features. So when I started working on the arms, I didn't watch too many videos on that, so I struggled greatly. So if you look at this Hello Kitty image going up and down, you'll be distracted from the arms that I did. So just keep looking at Hello Kitty for a quick second, and that should be done. Now we can go back to paying attention to my sculpt. And yeah, I had a lot of fun with this. He's really oddly shaped. He doesn't have any true ligaments that stand true to the features, except for maybe the skull and the torso area, because it's a cartoon, it's exaggerated. But I had a lot of fun on this, and hopefully you guys enjoyed this little sculpt. I know it's bad, but it's some progression. So at the end of this video, I'll be showing another side by side so you guys can see the final version and the extended version, which I added an extra 15 minutes and changed up the eyes, the mouth, and I added a hoodie so his hands are going into somewhere. So yeah, I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Have a good one.